This is Brett Mooney with SkipperBud's Yacht Sales. I'm going to walk you through this 2019 Cruisers Yachts 54 Cantius Fly Bridge. This boat is painted in a custom metallic silver hull paint. Very low hours, currently just over 200 on the engines and just over 100 on the generator. Power swim platform with dinghy chocks that have yet to been used on this boat. Whole flip up transom to access storage in the stern. High gloss wood table. Bar stools, which really open this boat up nice. Moving up, very large bridge, Garmin screen that does have a backup camera, which is nice from this helm station. Can control it obviously with the joystick, but you can see full to the bow and the starboard side of the swim platform. And I'll put the screen up here so I can see the full swim platform, including the port side. I actually will prep my spring, my stern, and my bow, and I'll tie them off to this rail right here. So when I get into the dock, I can toss my lines down to a dock hand, be able to single hand the boat. Huge master stateroom windows, which I'll show you momentarily. Both sides of those, the bow cushions flip up to be a backrest in a couple different positions there. An optional ice maker and refrigerator, sink, and space for an additional grill. There is a cushion in storage that replaces that table to make that a full kind of sunbed. Additional ice maker and grill. This boat's optioned with the optional dishwasher, freezer, dual fridge, microwave convection, dual burner cooktop, and dual basin sink. Sure. Power window that raises up to close off the stern of the boat. Here's your big screen TV. This boat is equipped with satellite dome receivers on the top of the hardtop. Dual Garmin glass cockpit screens, Seakeeper controls on both the bridge and the lower station. Traditional controls, your trim tabs and spotlight, stereo, windshield, and the rest of the switches. There's that full TV up. Downstairs, this is one of my favorite 3 stateroom layout boats in this size class. First with the starboard bunks. These are 6-foot bunk beds, hanging locker, drawer storage underneath, additional drawer storage next to the lower bunk, and then your full power panel here. It's currently 102 hours on that generator. Lower station wine fridge, showing you the VIP. So here's the full set of windows across the top that gives quite a bit of light into this VIP. One of my favorite showers on a boat of this class. Large shower with just a curtain, so you're not always drying off the glass when you're done. Then a separate head. There's storage on all 3 panels there. Storage underneath as well. Moving back to the master. Huge full beam master. Again, a very large head, ample storage, and a very large shower. And from the opposite side, good size closet with access to mechanicals that also serves as some storage behind. And then the full beam master. Huge tall windows. Tons and tons of storage. And a flip up makeup station. Large opening portholes here. And then the washer dryer couple unit. And last but not least, I will show you the size of the engine room. Huge engine room. It's almost 7 feet of height down here. There's the big Seakeeper 9. And that's it. The boat is in water and available for showings just about any time.